Hey guys, welcome back to Modern Men. Today's a little different episode, a little different upload. We're going to review, to me, one of the necessities any household for getting men or women needs. This is a Jiffy steamer. This is a Jiffy J4000 that I have owned for almost 20 years, and it still runs great. So what we're going to do today is kind of walk through how to use it, how to get it set up, and kind of show you some samples of what it does in a very quick manner, and how it can really save you thousands, probably tens of thousands of dollars on dry cleaning just by getting a commercial quality steamer like this one. So stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do when you get started is fill the water. And I'll show you on a picture and an image a little closer up. There's a water gauge right in here to show you how much water's in there. And sometimes you have to do what I just did, is lean it back or forth to actually see where the line is. It's clear, so it's hard to see exactly where it is. You do not want to fill this with water while it's hot. So if you use it and you run out of water, you want to let it cool down. You can crack the water tank if you plug it in, run it, then use cold water. Kind of makes sense. So I don't know if they still do this. Again, mine is old, so I've had mine for a while. Just unscrew the cap. They used to give you something like this, a little funnel that works great. Just put it right on. There's three little prongs, let's say, that stick out so it sits real well. We used distilled water. To be fair, I have used just tap water in this, and it's never been problematic. You do have to clean it every once in a while, and we'll show that in a later episode. But certainly a great little thing to use. So just to fill it, you just tip a gallon of water in it. Can't go super fast, can't go super slow. And then while you're doing it, just get a gauge of kind of where you're at filling it. So I'll just keep doing this until I get close to the red line there. Getting there. And that's super close. It's right here, right near the line. Then the next step, screw the cap on. Put the water away for now. Plug it in. So you can see once it's plugged in, just to give you an idea, you turn it to preheat. This little indicator light goes on. Once it's done, I'll show you guys. It takes a few minutes since there's a lot of water in here. Once it is done, that light will turn off. I'll then turn the video back on. You can see what it looks like and how it works. All right, guys, so we waited about 5 or 6 minutes. As you can see, the red dot turns off. You now turn it back on to steam. You wait a couple minutes, and then it'll get going. I'm going to pause this video here just so you can see how long it takes for the steam to come out and get a better angle of how the steam works, and then we'll show you some samples of how great this tool is. All right, guys, so we're back, and now you can see the steam is actually coming out of here. So what I want to do, and I'll kind of show you guys quickly, is never, ever, 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 ever touch this metal piece. You will literally brand yourself. It gets that hot. But just want to show you, I grabbed something that I literally washed as my own personal, just a little zip-up jacket for work that came out, and I'll just show you the back side of it. Just came out of the dryer, wrinkled. You know, I wouldn't say appropriate. So how do you get these wrinkles out? I'll show you real quickly. You know, get it as neat and straight as you can. And you literally just apply it like so. I like to pull the arms out and go a little slower. Again, same thing here. It's really, like I said, I've had this almost 20 years. Um, if it broke today, I literally would go buy another one tomorrow. It's um, just an incredible tool for everything you need for ironing. I use this for, and I'll show you guys in a second, I use it for dress shirts. I use it for a little bit of everything. You want to touch up, you wear a pair of pants, got a little wrinkled. I do have a pant press, but this is a great tool as well. And this is a polyester blend pullover. So you can just get the collar. It's really this easy. I mean, it's again, just don't touch that metal or you will literally brand yourself. So you can see in probably a minute or two, wrinkles are gone, looks great, just a great tool. Some other things I wanted to show you guys, because this is how I frequently use this. So sport coat, I wore this about a week or so ago. You can see there's wrinkles on the back here. I'm sitting in a meeting, right? Hold it up quickly. And this is a cotton blend sport coat. A little cotton and wool. Gets out all those wrinkles from sitting in a meeting. I use this for everything. Pants, undergarments, you name it. You can literally use it for everything. So let me show you how the pants work on this as well. And so for pants, I use a little different hanger. It's a little different setup, just so you can get to the whole pants. These are, I'll do a review on these at some point. These are my buddies from Vawari. They're Pronto pant. Ponto, I think, is the name. These are like literally wearing pajamas. These are just athletic joggers with some great zippers to put your pants in. Not to give these guys a plug in the midst of this, but just a great pant. But same type of thing. I hang it so it hangs all the way out as long as I can get it. And again, I don't leave this on very long. It won't burn, but it can leave an imprint if you leave it on too long. So again, just kind of, it's almost like using a paintbrush. And that's it for the front. I flip it over. I'm not the neatest with these, but you get the idea. And again, it gets all the wrinkles out. It's great. Once you're done, again, don't touch that. You just go back and turn it all the way off. You move it to, if you need to add more water, again, wait till it's cooled down, or you can crack the tub that holds the water. Would I suggest this tool? Yeah. I mean, I think if I had 3 tools I would suggest for every household, this is one. This guy, I think I paid, I want to say around $300 for probably 17, 18 years ago. And as I mentioned before, if it broke, I would literally do it again. I'd buy another one today. This has an extendable pole. I upgraded, so you have the wood handle. They also make one with plastic. At one point, I think 8 or 9 years ago, I replaced this hose just because I think it was getting a little worn out. But this thing is built like a tank. I'll have to check current pricing, but again, if you do a lot of laundry, which who doesn't, a lot of tech clothing, sportswear, wool, really anything, sweaters, it's just, I don't know if there's a better tool in the market. I've seen the real expensive dry cleaning closets where you put your stuff in, it steams it. Get one of these. I'm not being paid by Jiffy. I'm not even sure where Jiffy's located anymore. Um, you will absolutely love this product. They have less expensive ones. But if you go to any retail environment, any store, they usually have something like this or even less expensive. Um, just a great, great product. I cannot recommend this enough. I mean, I'm going to do a lot of product reviews. Um, this one is a 10 out of 10 all day long and has been for 16, 17, 18 years. It's just a great tool. Again, appreciate any feedback, anything else you guys would like to see, let me know. We're excited to have a lot of new things coming to the channel here shortly. But again, if there's any feedback, anything you'd like to see, certainly let us know and we will do our best to get to that. But again, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.